Afternoon, this is Brian Splitt with Allendale here for your closing commentary for the week ending Friday, May 27th, 2011. We did have some mixed settlements in the grains today. Corn did finish higher. July corn up 13 cents, settling at 758.5. That is actually down a penny on the week. December corn up 7 3/4 today at 684, settling at what was the previous contract highs before yesterday's trade. That is up 17.5 cents on the week. On the soybeans, we did have some lower trade today. July beans down 5 cents at 13.79 3/4. That is down a half a penny on the week. We did have Novi beans down 4 cents today at 13.68.5, and that is down 18 cents on the week. On the wheat, we did have some firm trade there, led by Minneapolis wheat again. July Chicago up 5 1/4 at 8.19 3/4. That is up 13 1/4 on the week. The July Kansas City up just a quarter penny today at 9.43. That's up 9 3/4 on the week. And the July Minneapolis up 10 1/2 today, and that's at 10.56 1/4, up 56 1/2 on the week. As far as the fund activity, we did have the funds buy approximately 7,000 contracts of corn. They did sell about 3,000 contracts of soybeans, and they bought about 3,000 contracts of wheat. We are still finding support in corn from the firm cash trade. We've got slow producer selling. Obviously, we've got tight stocks. That situation has not changed. And the continued concerns about delayed plantings and what yield deterioration that may bring. The beans were pressured by some spreading today, buying of corn and buying of wheat, selling of soybeans, which makes some sense here where beans are at the upper end of their recent range. And most of this market is still looking for continued strength in corn. So we'll see how that particular spread trades in the oncoming weeks. Basis for soybeans did fall anywhere from 9 to 15 cents. Reported with really producers selling their old crop once they're done planting here. Also, we have some poor crush margins that are causing processors to collapse basis, so they can hopefully lock in some profits here. But on the wheat side, really the spring wheat is leading. We've got concerns very similar to corn as far as delayed seedings for the Minneapolis wheat, which would be your spring wheat. And it looks like this market did close into what would be new contract highs. We had previous contract highs up until yesterday of 54 3/4, and we did settle above that price level today. A move above 1080, probably going to be another technically friendly move there. As far as some of the outside markets, we did have the meats a little recovery mode today. Hogs, the June contract up 115 today at 88.95. We did have some short covering and some light holiday trade, so a little bit easier for these guys to push the market around. Buy stops were triggered above yesterday's highs, and that added to the gain today. Also, the June futures discount to the CME index also cited as adding support to the market. On the cattle, June up just 12 1/2 here at 104.15. We do have evidence that the feedlots are backing up a little bit and not marketing on time. There is a little bit of talk here that we've got the cash cattle market possibly making a bottom or near a bottom based on increased packer margins, and also we had some 106 cash trade earlier in the week. So that's some of the rhetoric that's out there, but again, charts still looking a little on the nasty side here with this downtrend still prevailing here. As far as outside market activity, crude oil up about 25 cents right now at 150. We do have gold up $10 at 15.33. Silver up about 45 cents at 37.78. Equities trading lightly higher here. Dow futures up about 5. S&P futures up about 1 1/4, and NASDAQ futures up about 6 points there. The dollar down 62, right at 75 even. We have had some weakness in this dollar since the GDP numbers yesterday, and that market has taken out its short-term uptrend, but is still holding some support that we had built over the course of the past several weeks. Again, we will not have any trade on Sunday night for the grains or on Monday with the observance of Memorial Day. And please ask you as you're enjoying your burger or your beer on Monday that you remember why you're sitting at home with your family enjoying that day, and that's because of all the service members that have given their lives in defense of our country over the history of our great nation. So just take a few minutes to remember that on Monday as you're having a good time out there. But if you have any further questions for us, please give us a call at 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. Or you can check us out online at www.allendale-inc.com. And good luck trading to you next week. Thank you.